Natural remedies for cough and cold. Cough and cold are the greatest gifts of winters. People of almost every age get affected by cough and cold. It causes a lot of irritation. A lot of time, energy and money is wasted for the treatment. Anti-allergies and antibiotics are taken for immediate treatment, but that causes long-term side effects. In olden times, natural treatment was preferred, which is as much beneficial today as it was before. Following are some remedies for cough and cold made from ingredients available right in your kitchen. Honey water. Honey has proven beneficial properties for fighting against bacteria. Small amount of honey, if dissolved in hot water, proves magic for soothing sore throats and treats cough and cold. It also develops immunity for fighting against further infections. Turmeric milk. Turmeric has also proven anti-inflammatory properties for the cure of cold and cough. Just mix 1 tablespoon of turmeric in milk and drink it daily. One will start feeling better in a few days. Ginger water. Ginger has anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties. It does wonders if taken with hot water. It boosts immunity naturally and has potentially many other health benefits. Thank you for watching. Kindly subscribe for more exciting videos.